Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you want to add a column in Google Sheets, but you want it all the way on the far right, you might be doing this. You select a column, or no column at all. Go to Insert Column, Insert Left or Right, and you might click Insert Right. But here's what happens. The column gets added wherever your cursor currently is, not necessarily at the far right. So let me show you how to add a column to the very end of your sheet. Method 1. Insert column at the far right. Easy way. First, scroll all the way to the right of your sheet. Go to the last column. Now right-click that column header. Select Insert column to the right. That adds a new column at the far end of your Google Sheet. This is the simplest way to append columns without affecting existing data. Method 2. Jump to the far right. No scrolling. If you don't want to scroll all the way over, here's a quick shortcut. Click any cell. If you're on a Mac, hold down Command. Press the right arrow. You may need to press it twice. This jumps you to the very end of the row. Now you'll see the last column selected. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the column letter. Choose Insert column to the right, and that adds a new column at the far edge of your sheet. Method 3. Add multiple columns at the end. If you want to add several columns at once, click the box between column A and row 1. That selects the entire sheet. Now go to Insert, Columns, Insert Right. Google Sheets will add columns equal to the selection. This is useful if you need extra space at the end of your sheet. Method 4. Add a column to the left. If you want to add a column at the beginning of your sheet, click the column header for column A. Right-click and select Insert column to the left. That adds a new column before your first column. These tricks help you manage columns without disrupting existing data. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share tips, tricks, and automations to help you work smarter in Sheets.